Alright, Yurthers, today this video is going to be about how to get the Pentecostal Spell item. I don't have time to explain why it's called the Pentecostal Spell. You can get Ben to tell you. I don't know. It's just like an inside joke or something. But it is one of the teleporting items, as it is clearly in the teleporting items playlist, but this item in particular is different from all the other ones. So this is specifically an item that will teleport the other seeker to where you are located when you use it. So it's not the same as the other items which teleport you to a specific location. Um, so this can primarily be useful, for example, to get the other seeker out of danger if they're about to be killed. You can use it to get the other seeker into the safe zone if you make it back and then you teleport them back to the safe zone. Or you could use it to get a hunter kill if one or both of you has really good combat stuff. Let's say that the other seeker has good combat stuff and you're getting chased by a hunter. You can use the item, summon the other person to your location, and then you can both fight the hunter. So those are just some examples. I mean, you can use it however you want, but those are just some good examples of how you could use an item like this. So first of all, you're going to need an expert key, and I'll just take the chance to show where an expert key is located. So one right there. Also, well, the most popular one is the one in Mini Mushroom City here in Mini Earth. So you would climb up the vines up to Mini Mushroom City. You would jump up onto this fence and go up these carpets, up the laser. And there's also an expert key there and some... this is a joke about the little laser boots in actual Mushroom City. So you could also get that expert key. But once you have one, you're going to go to Yoskow. And don't worry, that doesn't sound like anything from the real world. You're going to go onto the street where the Olga's Ender Pearl house is. So this pink house, well, technically it's this one with the balcony, but it's the street. It's the last street next to Jeff, basically. This and the Waffle House. there's a Waffle House in Yoskow without a ceiling. This street here. So you go to this street right by the river, and you find the building. Either you can see the stone cross up there, or it says not a Pentecostal church. And you can read the Russian literature, or you can actually go in. So you will you'll drop the key where it asks for your indulgences. So we'll go ahead and do that. So you can see the message that showed up: indulgences accepted. Bada booda tooty toot. You can, well, these NPCs will not be here in matches currently, but maybe one day we'll be able to have them again. So then you'll climb up, run through this cobweb. Am I going the right way? Yep, I am. Okay. This is kind of an interesting room. You just go all the way to the top, and then there normally would be a barrier block on top of this chest, so once you use the key, it gets rid of that. Then you get the... we'll have to make a unique item for this, but if you're watching this in the past or something, if it's like 3 months from now and we've made a custom texture for this, that doesn't change anything about how it works. So you get the Pentecostal Spell, and then all you have to do is drop that, like any other drop item, and it will teleport the other seeker to your location. And there's also a chat message when you do that. So that's how you get the Pentecostal Spell. Happy Earthing.